Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make bread dough so you can make your own bread at home. You're going to get 1 tablespoon active dry yeast. I'm going to put it in this bowl. 1. And now we're going to get 2 tablespoons sugar. When you add 2 cups of warm water, the yeast starts to eat the sugar, and then we'll let that sit for 5 minutes. We're going to get some warm water. On it, a little bit less than bathtub temperature. 1 cup. With the line I was doing this, you can see that line gets to that line. I'm going to take it off. It looks like we're right there. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to draft it. It's going to pour that in. Now I've poured in the tablespoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to whisk that up until it's dissolved. We're going to set that for 5 minutes. Spoons of salt, like that. Now we're going to add in 1. Now, I recommend either measuring it over a bowl or over the sink. I didn't measure over a bowl or the sink. That's what happened. Now we're going to mix that up. I'm going to add in 3 cups of white flour and 3 cups of whole wheat flour. The reason why I'm doing half of white flour and half of the whole wheat flour is because whole wheat flour is very healthy, and if you just added whole wheat flour, it would be really heavy, and if you just added in white flour, it would be really light and fluffy, but then it's not as healthy for you. So that's why I'm going to do half and half. I'm going to take out the wooden spoon. I'm going to take out the whisk, and now we're going to use the wooden spoon. Put this other spoon here because we'll use that later. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get the 2nd cup of white flour. Our last one. We're going to start taking. You're going to add in 1 egg to the batter. We're going to pour it in. Now start mixing. That. We're going to dump that out and make sure all of it's out like that. And first what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to get my hands and I'm going to start clumping it together like that. I'm going to do that. Fold that over, that. Fold that over. And then keep on repeating that. Your dough should be kind of off your hands like this. I just did that and it kind of makes it come off. That's just the required amount. Now we're going to pour it and let it roll around. Now we finished putting the olive oil in. Now I'm going to get our nice little ball in here. And you can set a timer for 1 to 2 hours. Kitchen timer. And set it. And now let's start. So I'm just going to go down with my hand from the bottom and we'll put it down right there. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get maybe like right there, you can get your hand and then do that for where you want it. And then take it off, just like that. See it shrinks. So I want it a little bit longer. Now we're going to put those together. So, just pinch right there, and then we'll put that right there, that right there, that right there, that right there, and so on. And just finish that way, tuck that around it. And you don't have to do the top if you don't want it. And you want to put it on, preheat the oven to 375 degrees and put it in for 25 minutes. I'm gonna take these off. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.